ICT lesson. With me I've got Gemma who's going to help. Quick recap of last week. We looked at different formulas, didn't we? Let me start with an easier one. Who can tell me what this symbol means? Remember to pause the video if you need longer to think. This is the add symbol. What's this symbol? The takeaway or subtraction, you might call it. The division, and the star is for multiplication, isn't it? Now this week, A5, I am about to send you this spreadsheet out for you to complete. With it will come a list of questions so you can analyse the data after. And if you read this text box, just in case you need a little bit of reminding, it will help you what you need to do. We've got three options, option A, option B and option C, and it is going to ask you to do something different in each option. Okay, so option A is you receive £5 a week pocket money and every week after. So every week you're going to get £5 pocket money. Let's see how we enter that data. First, because we're talking about money, we do need to highlight it all. So if we start here, Gemma, and then highlight right over to column H, we're going to make sure that we're on the tab home. Go to format, down to format cells, which is right at the bottom, and you'll see that you've got different categories down the side. Currency is another word for money. We're going to make sure that it's got 2 decimal places and that it's on money, and then click OK. And any information we now input, it will have the money symbol in front. So Gemma, if we put in £5, oh, sorry, that's okay. Now this one's a really easy one to work it out because it is just £5 a week. It's the same thing. So if we go over week 1, Gemma, you don't need to do anything in the formula bar just yet. If you go to week 1, hover over the little box until it turns black, drag that information down because every week you are going to receive £5 a week. Now you can see this word here, cumulative, okay? For week 1, we're not going to add it to anything because it's the first week we've got it. We're going to see how much money we can get in the bank or in our piggy bank. So we're going to go on to here, Gemma, and we're just going to use that black cross to pull the information across. Think A5, what kind of sum would we need to do if we want to work out how much money we're going to have in our piggy banks on week 2? We want to do equal sum, open brackets, and because we want to add the amounts together, we've got to add D10. What symbol are we using? That's right, Gemma, the add sign. And then we're going to add it to this week, which is C11. Close bracket and push enter. So by doing that sum, we have just made a simple sum of adding those two together. Because we want it to be nice and efficient, we're going to go over until it goes to the black cross and input the data that way. You can check to see if you've done it right by counting up in fives. £5, £10, £15, £20, so on. Option B, what did they ask us to do? You can receive 50p pocket money this week and the amount increases by an additional 50p each week. Okay, so if, for example, week 1 you'd get 50p, week 2 you'd get £1, week 3 you would get £1.50. We don't want to be inputting all that data though, do we? Because it's quite a lot. So Gemma, if you put in 50p there, which would be 0.50 for 50, and what we can do here, Gemma, is if you do equal sum, open brackets in the formula bar, if we want to add 50p, what do you think we'd have to do after we do the cell names? So that's E10. E10. We'd have to do add because we want to add something. And you would put 0.50 for 50p. Close bracket, push enter, and it's worked. And again, we can input that data by just dragging that information across. Okay. See if you can shout out the answers to Gemma to get this right. How would we find out the cumulative amount? Just wait for the bell to finish before I continue. Okay. So because 50p, you don't have to do any sum for that, do you? So we're going to just pull the information across. But we now need to add these two together. Let's see if Gemma can remember how to do it. Can you remember, Gemma?
I'll try.
You'll try.
So I need equal sum.
Equal sum, perfect.
Open bracket.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I need.
So you can click on them, that's right, Gemma. If you, yeah, you could do it that way.
So is it E11?
E11, which you've clicked on, so that's fine. Add.
And then it would be.
You can click on the cell that you want to add as well, rather than inputting the information, if that makes it easier.
F10.
F10 is correct.
And then
Close those brackets.
Enter.
Perfect. See if you can drag that down, Gemma, and see if you've done that all correct.
Yay!
That's not right.
Oh.
No, it is right. It is right. Cancel that. It is right. Well done, Gemma. Ignore me. Just testing. Option C. You get 1 penny week 1, and every week after that amount doubles. Okay. So let's put in 1 penny. How would you write it? Have a think. Let's see if Gemma can do it right.
Oh no.
Oh, don't get that decimal, Gem.
Oh no. No, I'm putting two.
Yeah, that's right. So 0.01 will show up 1 penny. We want to be able to double that amount. How do we double something? We times it times by 2. So equal sum, open brackets, G10 times, or star, by 2, close bracket, enter. Perfect. Let's do the efficient way, Gemma. Let's get it done. Amazing. And then we're just going to work out what the total would be. Look how much pocket money you get for week 20. Over £5,000. Wish I would get that much pocket money a week. So remember, we're not adding here, are we, for week 1? We're just dragging it along. Week 2, equal sum. And then we can just click on the ones that we want to add together. And then add, make sure we do the add symbol. Yeah, perfect. Close brackets. And push that enter button. Brilliant. Add them all together, or drag them down, should I say, sorry. Look at that. In the questioning, it will have lots of questions about who gets most money overall, lots and lots of different questions. If you have any questions for me, remember I am available on Teams throughout the day, and at 12 o'clock when we meet, you can also ask me some questions then, okay? Hope that's okay for you. You could edit your information if you wanted to. We'll show them a quick little edit, Gemma. So for the weekly amount, we could show it in bold maybe, couldn't we? So if you highlight all of column C. Yeah, awesome. We could just do it in bold. Okay, and we could do that for week B, week C. You could even, shall we show you another way? Let's show you another way. So again, we'll do the same one just for quickness, so you're not too long on YouTube. If you go up to the paint box, Gemma, and you could put it any colour that you wanted it. Shall we have, don't surprise me, Gemma, what colour should we go for?
Green.
Lovely. Awesome. And if we wanted to then have boxes round, we could go to this one up here. This is an extension task. You don't need to do this if you don't want to. See where it's got the little boxes?
Yes.
Yeah. So do drop down. And we want all borders. Have a play with it and see what it does. but then you can see that information really clearly. Maybe you could have option A, one colour, option B, a different colour, option C, a different colour as well. Let us know how you get on. Good luck, guys. You can do it. Bye.
Bye.